Hey, what is up guys? Today we are going to look over another problem, that is majority element. So given an array of size n, find a majority element. Find the element is that element appears more than n by 2 times. You may assume that the array is non-empty and the majority element always exists in the array. Okay, fine. Okay, so yeah, it was actually quite understanding what the problem was saying. So for the example, you can see 3 occurred more than, like, more times than n by 2 times. That is why. Then again 2 occurred more times. It kind of is like the majority element, like whoever has occurred more amount of times, you need to find that element and you need to return it. Okay, that is fine. So I want you to pause this video and try to code this program on your own. I will be coding this program in Java language. Okay, so let's go ahead with the coding. So what I'm going to do is I actually thought of this. I was thinking of going with hash map implementation, but we only just need to return the first one element. So I kind of think a better solution for this. So for that I need to create two temporary variables. I will call this max element. Okay, that will be like how many, like the maximum value that is occurred right now, and for default we will set it to nums of 0. Okay, and the count of it we will tell it to be 1. Okay, now let's say and now we need to actually run the loop. Okay, we are starting from 1 because we have already taken the first element, that is 0, right? That is why we are going to start from 1. Then I is lesser than nums dot length, then I plus plus, and if, let's say, if nums of I is equal to max element, then we need to actually max element underscore count. Okay, so that's what we are going to keep. So max element count will be plus plus. Otherwise it is not the max elements, then it is some other element. So we need to actually do max element minus count minus minus, right? Because like it is not that, so we need to decrease the count of that, because we are going for to show for n by 2 times, so that is why. Then let's say if max element count, actually max element count is equal to 0, then, and we need to also check for one condition, that will be I is lesser than nums dot length minus 1. That means it is like before the last element, that means like this is this element, right? So I should be lesser than this element. That means we are considering all these elements, right? Yeah, so let's say if it is that, then we need to just increase the count, but like we need to increase the max element because it is already reached 0 max element count. That is why. Okay, so what we will do is we will take max element and we will make element, yeah, sure, element, and it will be nums of I plus plus. Okay, then we need to do the count of it to 1, set the count to 1, right? And actually what we need to do is we need to make sure that is I plus 1. Okay, then I plus plus, we are going to do that because we need to just again do the loop, and at last, once this for loop is over, I think so we will be having a max element. So we need to just return element, and I think so this is fine. So I think so the answer is pretty much clear to you guys, so I don't think I need to explain it to you guys. Let's just run the code. Okay, so this is fine. Let's submit it. Accepted. Okay, let's go to more details. It is 99.86. that means I think so mine is actually fine. So yeah, this is the best solution right now. Okay, that is fine. Okay guys, so you can pause the video and note the solution, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.